Here we are at Tallington level crossing in Lincolnshire with AB trains. There we go. Tonneau is 1605 on Wednesday the 8th of May 2024, and this is for your delayed 1558 1 Delta 19 London North Eastern Railway System, Lincoln's Cross to Leeds, and possibly, I'm not sure if it might stay for this one, but possibly it might be staying for our slightly delayed 1605 1 November 87 London North Eastern Railway System, Lincoln's Cross to York. I'm not sure if we'll be going up after this Leeds one, which I can confirm is a 225 set. I'm going to cross to the other end. Put that there a minute. That's the water bottle I was on about earlier. I'm not littering before anyone starts shouting at me. It's full of water, and I plan to drink it. And then when I do finish it, it'll end up in the bin. Hello. I think that's the sound of a 225 set coming. Either that or my mind has gone crazy. But I think that might have been the sound of a 225 set. Here she is. We've got... Oh, it's hit a bird, look. 9105 to 82214 to Leeds, and up they go. Oh, it must have hit a bird early on its journey. It's got blood on the front. Thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video.